I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Karseell Collagen hair treatment effectively. First, ensure your hair is clean by washing it with your preferred shampoo. After rinsing, gently towel dry your hair until it is damp, not dripping wet. Now, take a small, coin-sized amount of the Karseell Collagen treatment. Distribute it evenly through your hair, paying special attention to the mid-lengths and ends, where damage is often most visible. This initial step is crucial for optimal absorption and benefits. After applying the treatment, use a wide-tooth comb to gently detangle your hair and ensure the product is spread from root to tip. This helps every strand receive the nourishing benefits. Allow the Karseell Collagen treatment to work its magic for 5 to 10 minutes. For deeper conditioning, you might extend this time slightly, but do not exceed 15 minutes. Finally, rinse your hair thoroughly with cool water until all product residue is gone, and your hair feels clean and soft. For best results, incorporate the Karseell Collagen hair treatment into your routine 1 to 2 times per week. Consistent use will yield the most significant improvements. You can expect to see a noticeable difference in your hair's overall health, including improved strength and elasticity. Many users also report enhanced shine and a significant reduction in frizz, making hair more manageable and vibrant. This treatment is designed to revitalize and protect your hair. For an even deeper conditioning experience, you can apply gentle heat after applying the treatment, perhaps with a warm towel or a hooded dryer for a few minutes. Remember to avoid applying the product directly to your scalp, as this can sometimes lead to greasiness. Focus on the hair strands themselves. Also, for those who love to read, check out the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This treatment helps maintain healthy, beautiful hair, making it a valuable addition to your hair care regimen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.